You're watching Cetome TV. Knowledge is power.
All right, so we have another question here from Sandy. Sandy's wondering, what are exosomes? What are exosomes?
That's getting heavy. So exosomes, that's a great question, Sandy. So exosomes are what we call extracellular vesicles. They are membrane-bound organelles that get released by the cancer cells or by cells, and they contain RNA and DNA and proteins and enzymes and different things. In cancer, exosome research is really becoming big. And that's because we're starting to realize that a huge part of the metastatic process involves the release of these exosomes. We're currently working on a project that we're going to be publishing fairly soon based on our lab work. And we're going to be showing that these exosomes can be used to attract cancer and determine whether a person is going through a metastatic process or not by looking at the exosomes and the DNA in those exosomes.
So it can be used for diagnostic purposes.
Yeah, and there's going to be a lot of treatments directed at exosomes in the near future.
That's exciting.
Yeah, that's very exciting. Stopping the metastatic potential. Because what exosomes really do is they get released by the tumor cells, the active tumor cells, and they will travel through the body and they can actually get taken up by other normal healthy cells, fibroblasts, and they can convert those cells into cancer or precancerous cells.
So if the cancer cells have control of these exosomes,
which they do,
yeah, just like normal cells,
yes,
then they can abuse them.
They can.
They can turn them to the dark side.
Now there is a theory that we're working on. We don't have a lot of data for it, but we strongly suspect it's going to be going in this way, is that there appears to be a battle of the exosomes from the healthy cells and from the cancer cells. And we know this because we've seen high levels of the healthy version of the protein, the wild type version of the protein, in response to therapies, as well as high levels of the mutated version. So it's like the two different cell types are both trying to outcompete each other with the release of these exosomes.
And that sounds like a mechanism that could be utilized.
Exactly.
To
and
the
a lot of people are looking
patients.
at that, yes.
Right, hence you're saying there's going to be treatments for exosomes.
Exactly.
Which is exciting because that's so
Very
small
exciting.
And so precise.
And it's in the blood.
And it's one of the things that I love so much when Alex gets to talk about things like targeted therapies and immunotherapies is how precise they are in their delivery and what that means in terms of you, the patient, experiencing so much fewer side effects and a better treatment outcome. And what you're saying there is it's going to get even more precise.
Oh, yes, it's going to get very precise.
Yeah, yes. That's exciting. All right, thank you.
Thank you for watching Cetome TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.